That creates the feedback loop between analysis and system configuration. This is always the challenge in technology. You've got the ability to execute, you've got the ability to automate, and you've got the ability to analyze. But creating tooling that allows those three parts of the workflow to self-optimize, to interact with each other. And that's not just the nirvana concept around Gen AI solving these problems. Actually, the precursor to that is not the Gen AI agent itself. It's, can those three parts of the system be interoperable? Can my TCA somehow feed into my pre-trade decision-making? So that's a big technology challenge, right?
It is. It's not easy because there are no two things that when we thought about them, were seen as a part of the same type of flow. One thing was executing, or providing pricing or margin or skewing. The other one was data that usually was used for visibility. The two things initially, even at Quod, were not thought to be put together, but the fact that we have an architecture that allows us to easily tailor things together, allow very quickly to fulfill the needs of our customer. Our customer needed to do that in order to be unique. One of the things, when I joined, now quite a long time ago, Quod, I was coming from, I had experience in two very different banks. Two very different banks culturally from a business perspective. And one thing that was clear to me is that if we want to offer a platform for any bank, you will not just be able to build one solution that will work for everybody. So the challenge was, how do we make a product that anybody can use to fulfill their business goal? Business goals in different places are not the same. This rippled down in the way they distribute price, in the way they last look, in the way they keep relationship with their customers. But configuration is just not enabled of this type of granularity. You need rules. We started, as you say, our journey very far away, and we start with super configurable rules or KPIs that we could take from different parts of the platform and place in the brain of the machine. We started like this. And obviously our journey, given that we heavily invested in data analysis, has normally and naturally evolved into AI. And I think, looking at the industry, we are a platform that has a character difference from the other platforms. We are a ready-to-use product, but at the end of the day, we are still a technology platform that our customer can flexibly use to achieve their goal in different ways.
So this comes back to the concept of buy and build. You want to take an architecture that you have ready. The plumbing is there, it's able to integrate with your LPs, it's able to integrate with your existing systems. And on top of that, you wish to be able to build the customizations, whether it's via API, whether it's integrations with third parties or external systems, or just configuration, being able to use the system in a configurable way to adapt to your trading profile, your distribution profile. So that buy and build principle fits very well with, I guess, the goal of the tool that you've been evolving.